Welcome back, culinarians. If this is your first time here, I'm your host, Bella LaFay, and in this video, you will learn what cooking can mean to you. At the end of this video, you will learn what cooking does mean to me. So let's get started. Cooking is more than just a routine chore. It's a sensory experience, a creative outlet, and a way to nourish both your body and soul. For many, including you, it's a deeply ingrained passion that transcends the mere act of preparing food. At its core, cooking allows you to engage all your senses. The vibrant colors of fresh produce, the sizzling of the onions, the smell of the garlic, the caramelization of onions, each contributes to a symphony of sensory delight. As you chop, season, and stir, you're not just following a recipe, you're orchestrating a masterpiece. It's not just about the end result. You have to learn that it's about the journey. The process of cooking is inherently creative, allowing you to experiment with flavors, textures, and techniques. Whether you're following a beloved family recipe or improvising with whatever ingredients you have on hand, each dish is a reflection of your unique culinary vision. Cooking is also deeply rooted in tradition and culture. It's a way to connect with your heritage and honor the recipes passed down through generations, and to share stories around the dinner table. Talk about what you like best. Whether you're recreating the comfort foods of your childhood or exploring new cuisines from around the world, cooking is a celebration of diversity and community. Cooking is a form of self-care. In a world where people are constantly rushing, taking the time to fix a homemade meal is quite an act of mindfulness. It's a way to slow down and be present in the moment. A way to nourish yourself and your loved ones with food that's made with care and intention. There's also a sense of accomplishment that comes from cooking. From mastering a tricky technique or successfully improvising with the ingredients you have on hand. Each culinary triumph boosts your confidence and inspires you to keep pushing your boundaries in the kitchen. Let's not forget the joy of sharing creations with others. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or bringing a dish to potluck dinner or simply cooking for your family at home, there's something incredibly gratifying about seeing the smiles in the people's faces as they speak about how they love your fabulous cooking. It's a creative outlook, a connection to a tradition and culture, a form of self-care, a source of accomplishment, and a way to bring joy to others. It's no wonder that you wish to find so much fulfillment in the kitchen. As for me, I love trying new recipes. I love seeing their faces to see if they like it or even if they don't. I love trying to figure it out. If I mess up the recipe, how do I fix it? I love it all. I love the gadgets. I love the dishes and the pots and the kitchen curtain. I love it all. I like trying new recipes. I like going to restaurants and trying to recreate what I eat at the restaurant. This is the journey that we're sharing. Learning how to discover your passion with food, learning how to use homemade dishes to make you healthier, learning to love and be loved by good homemade ingredients. If you found value in this content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, see you in the kitchen where we cook.